Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasib Hassan and you are welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to design this business card easily by using Photoshop. So let's start a video. So friends, first of all we have to set our face. To do it, you have to click on here. Then you have to select insert from here. Then click on this box, then type here 3.5. Then click on this box, then type here 2. Then click on the OK. After set up the page, you have to select the pen tool from here. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then press and hold Alt key, then click on the anchor point. Then you have to click on here, 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 and here. Then select the move tool. After that, you have to select this layer again. Then press and hold Alt key, then take over from this. Then double click on here. Then select this color. Then click on the OK. Then drag this under this layer. Then you have to rotate this layer. After that, you have to select this layer again, then press and hold Alt key, then take over from this. Then double click on here. Then you have to select this color from here. Then click on the OK. Then you have to drag this in here. After that, you have to select the pen tool again. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then press and hold Alt key, then click on the anchor point. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then press and hold Alt key, then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then press and hold Alt key, then click on the anchor point. Then you have to click on here. Then click on the fill. Then you have to select this color. Then select the move tool. Then select this. Then you have to rotate this. Then click on the anchor point. Then right click on here. Then click on the flip vertical. Then right click on here again. Then click on the flip horizontal. Then you have to rotate this, then drag this in here. After that, you have to select all layers from here, then click on the anchor point, then right click on this layer, then click on the flip horizontal. Then you have to drag this in here. After that, you have to select this layer, then you have to double click on here, then you have to select this color from here, then you have to select this color, then click on the OK. Then you have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay. Then you have to click on here, then you have to click on the blues. Then you have to select this color. Then click on the OK. Then you have to click on the OK again. Then select this, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay. Then click on the reverse. Then you have to click on the OK. Then select this layer again, then double click on here. Then you have to select this color, then click on the OK. Then select this layer. Then right click on this layer, then click on the copy layer style. Then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the paste layer style. Then you have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the paste layer style again. Then select this, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay, then you have to click on the reverse. Then click on here, then you have to drag this in here. Then click on the color, then you have to select this color. Then click on the OK. Then you have to select the pen tool again, then you have to click on here, then you have to click on here and draw a curve, then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then press and hold Alt key, then click on the anchor point, then click on here, here, and here. Then select the move tool, then you have to rotate this. Then select this layer, then press and hold Alt key, then take over from this, then increase the size of this, then drag this in here again. Then you have to double click on here, then select this color, then click on the OK, then drag this under this layer. Then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the paste layer style. Then select this layer again, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option. Then you have to click on the gradient overlay. Then click on here, then select this, then click on the color. Then you have to select this color. Then click on the OK. OK. Then select this layer again, then right click on this layer, then click on the copy layer style. Then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the paste layer style. Then right click on this layer again, then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay, then click on the reverse. Then you have to click on the OK. After designing the business card, you have to include the icons and write some text in here. I am already write the text, so I am pasting the text in here. After paste the text, you have to drag this text in here. Then select these layers, then you have to lock these layers. Then select these layers, then lock these layers. Then select these layers from here, then drag these layers in here. After set the text and icons, you have to open your logo. So I am opening my logo from my PC. After that, you have to select these layers, then press and hold Alt key, then take over from this. Then you have to double click on here, then write your company name in here. Then you have to click on the tick mark. Then you have to double click on here, then write your company category in here. Then you have to press Ctrl plus A button from keyboard, then click on here. Then select the white color, then click on the OK. After that, you have to set this base card in a mockup. So I am opening a mockup from my PC. After opening the mockup, you have to double click on here, then select all layers from here, then click on the backspace. Then back to the main project, then unlock all layers from here. Then select all layers from here, then drag these layers in here. Then set this base card in here. After set the business card, you have to press Ctrl plus S button from keyboard. Now, here you can see the final result. So friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.